Yes, sir. We do have a... Alright, man, PullsTv back with another video, man. We back on Iron Man, so here go the plan. I finally put the recipe together, put the plan together, and here it go right here. Let me get to y'all. I'm gonna get to y'all straight like this. So right now, what's in the truck is a 87 to like 90 something block. I'm assuming it's the same as the Vortex block with the one piece seal. I do know that it's a 2-bolt main. Got to do some more research on the block, but as far as how much power it can handle, but I'm probably just gonna make it a 355, do just 30 over pistons. But I gotta know, this block can be either a hydraulic roller cam or it can be a flat tappet cam. I'm hoping for a hydraulic roller, but you know, we'll have to see that. So I'm finna pull the intake off, man, and see if, man, fingers crossed, bro, it's a roller block. Hopefully, man. Hopefully it's a roller block. But like I said, if it's a flat tappet, I know you can make some power with a flat tappet cam too. So anyway, man, we finna get this intake off, and we finna get down there, get to this intake, get to the bottom of this intake, and see what we got, man. But before we get into that, God is everything. Without God, I'm nothing. Now that we got that out the way, let's get into the video. Alright, man, so I'm back. And we back on Iron Man, like I said. We finna take the, I don't know if I'm gonna leave the carburetor. I may just leave the carburetor on the intake. But I'm gonna get all these bolts out, get these hoses off. Just probably pull the fuel line down. But let's start by getting the breather cap off, man, so we can dig down in here. Hey, I gotta be honest, man, I'm a little, just a little scared by what's up under here, cause I really want this thing to be a hydraulic roller, cause I like a nice lopey cam, and I know, you know, hydraulic roller, man, you can really do that. So anyway, man, I'm gonna leave the carburetor on. I'm gonna just pull the fuel line off and pull the little cables and things off like that. Alright, man. Checking in, boy. It's hot out here, boy. Boy, it's hot out here, boy. Alright, pull the distributor out, man. Then want to take it completely off. Hopefully I can get around it. But getting the back bolts out. Got some new intake gaskets to go on this bad boy. Yeah, man, so I'm gonna get this thing off. Like I said, man, I'm hoping for a hydraulic roller, but if it's not, I mean, like I said, it's just gonna be a 355 anyway, so I don't want to be a flat tappet, but if it is, I'm gonna be alright with it. We're just gonna put the biggest flat tappet we can put in this bad boy to get this done, man. So yeah, show hot out this dodo, man. I'm pretty sure y'all know. Pretty sure y'all done been out here in this heat, buddy. Woo. And it's hot on that side of the truck. Hold on, man, let me reposition y'all. Alright, man, got y'all over there, and it is hot. That side of the truck is hot, man, so I'm gonna try to go in right here. Might need an extension for this one. Try to extension on this bad boy. Sweating like crazy out here, man. But I got to know. Got to know. Tried doing research, but everybody just say, hey, you gotta get down in there and see. I got a 2-bolt main, so hoping this one might have came out of a car instead of a truck, because it don't specify truck or car either. So let's hope I got one out of a car. But what really scared me is how small the cam is in here now. So it kind of makes me feel like dealing with a flat tappet. So hoping not, but we finna see, because I got all the bolts loose at this point. So right now it's just getting them out of here. Either way, it's gonna be a 355 regardless of you know, if it's a flat tappet or hydraulic roller. Try to make it a real high compression 355 with some small chamber heads. Try to get the compression up 11 to 5. Or as high as I can get it to spray a little nitrous to it. So gotta talk to some more people that know about cars. I know a little something, but I don't know enough about, especially not about nitrous. I don't know enough about nitrous to do nothing, so I don't know how high my compression can go or none of that, man. So got all the bolts out of that side, or most of them. I still got one more left that wants to be stubborn, and then we're gonna be home free, y'all. So y'all stay tuned for the moment of truth. Y'all wish me luck, because we hoping for a hydraulic roller. If it's a flat tappet, I might come back in with tears in my eye, but y'all might not be able to tell because I'm already sweaty. But anyway, man, y'all hold tight. I'm gonna grab these lab bolts out of here, and then I'm gonna check back in once I get ready to pull it off. Alright, man, so I still gotta take the carburetor off. I was trying to avoid it, but I gotta take it off. So finna go ahead and pull this carburetor off of here, man. Hopefully that'll give me some clearance to get this bolt on this side, because I got all of them out except for that one, but the carburetor's in the way, man. So try to pull that bad boy off, and yeah, man, y'all keep watching. Alright, man, here it is, the moment of truth. Oh, boy. Like I said, either way I'm cool, man, but we hoping for a flat tappet, man. I mean, we hoping for a solid roller block, which I can tell by the little indentions in the valley should have little things where I can bolt a tray down in here. So if it don't have that, then it's a flat tappet block, man. So got it broke loose. I haven't removed it yet, but we finna move it, so let's see. Hold on, y'all. Yes, sir. We do have a roller block. Man, I got lucky on this one, man. I got a roller block. Yes, man, I got a roller block. Alright, man, let me get y'all in here a little closer so I can show y'all. Alright, man, let me see if I can bring y'all up. Alright, man, so if you can see, your roller blocks have this piece. I'm guessing it's a flat tappet in here now, but I did learn that roller blocks have the thing right here in the valley. So as long as I got that, I'm guessing I can use a roller cam. So that's what we got, man. I'm glad, I'm happy. So yeah, man, pull these old gaskets off and we're finna get ready to build on the 355, man. So y'all get ready for that. And yeah, man, got a roller block, so we finna definitely run a hydraulic roller cam here. I think it's a flat tappet in here now, man, I think. But at least I know my block can take the right one. So anyway, man, I ain't gonna bore y'all with putting it back on. This was what I wanted to find out. Got a roller block, so we finna make this thing a 355. High compression with a little shot of nitrous on it. So yeah, man, y'all stay tuned for the build, because it's finna be a build. We finna change the heads and all that. But hold on, man, I'm gonna close y'all out in just a second. Alright, man, I done sweated myself to death out here. But like I said, we got a roller block. So we finna get ready to pull this out. The plan is, I can't put a timeline or a date on when we're gonna start on it, but the plan is to make this a 355, a high compression 305 with some good heads, probably Vortex heads. Probably try to get them poured and polished. Like I said, this ain't gonna be the permanent motor that's in here, man. So I'm just doing it for content, and I gotta go outside my cousin Ramondez Stevens' head. So he got a built motor 302 Mustang, so all I gotta do is make this thing a high compression 355, and I'm gonna go outside his head with it. See, the 350 won't do it right now because it got 305 heads on it. They stopped pulling around $5 grand, so that ain't gonna do it. So like I said, man, we finna go with some 30 over pistons, hydraulic roller cam. Let me see. Yeah, that pretty much gonna be it though. I'm not gonna touch the bottom end unless I need to. I'm gonna check it out, make sure everything good. I ain't going to forge bottom end or nothing. If I do, it'll be some budget forged bottom end pistons or something. I'm not gonna spray a whole lot of nitrous to it. Maybe a 200, 300 shot. You know, not much. So anyway, man, that's gonna be that one. And yeah, man, so that's gonna put this one to an end, man. PullsTv, I'm out of here.